So Deep Checker makes submersible robotics for all kinds of fun things, anything from inspections of critical infrastructure to defense applications like explosive ordnance disposal, to search and recovery of drowning victims, to going and finding treasure and shipwrecks in all kinds of sorts of places.
We really value our culture in the shop, so we have a really good collaborative team that we're constantly looking to add to. So these robots are definitely not easy to build, so we look for people that are able to communicate well with others, work in a really good and collaborative environment to come up with awesome solutions, so we make really high quality products for our customers.
We're always looking for new roles. We've been growing very quickly. In the sales and marketing department where I work, we're looking for sales reps, so both account executives and business development reps. We're looking for people who want to get some traveling done, who have a little bit of travel itch after the pandemic is over, and want to get out and promote our products. And then in the marketing side, we have various roles from SEO and digital strategy to videography to graphic design to trade show coordination, all kinds of fun things.
I think manufacturing is a great option because it applies to a lot of other industries. You gain a lot of skills in manufacturing with teamwork, collaboration, working on really complex stuff that can apply to a lot of different industries out there. So you gain a lot of valuable experience which can translate to wherever you want to take your career. What we do is really challenging, so I think people really like to work on challenging things, and our engineering team is really awesome, and they're constantly putting out new products or new add-ons, so you're constantly working on new stuff. There's never a boring day out in the shop. There's always work to do. There's always stuff to do. You're never sitting there twiddling your thumbs or anything like that. So yeah, you just keep yourself busy and you work on some really cool products.